Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and on this video, I'm going to continue my discussion on circles, which will serve as a supplementary material for you teachers and students. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the bell button for you to be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new one. So, let's begin! Okay, problem number 2. Find the equation of the circle tangent to the line 2x minus y equals 3 at the point 2, 1 and center on the y-axis. Okay, so let me create an illustration. Okay. By the way, rough sketch lang to. This is not the actual illustration. Okay, just a reminder. Okay, then let's have a line. Okay, suppose lang, no, kunyari lang, this is my tangent line. See that? Okay, so again, let me remind you, this is not the actual illustration. Okay, for discussion purposes lang. Okay, suppose, ito yung tangent line ko with an equation of 2x minus y equals 3. And that's tangent to the circle at the point 2, 1. So this will be my point of tangency. Alright, 2, 1. Then it says here, the center is located at the y-axis. Okay, nasa y-axis yung center. Meaning to say, if this is the center, I'm not going to show the y-axis here. If this is the center, the coordinates of that is 0, k. Okay, 0, k. See that? Okay. So, now, how are we going to determine the equation of the circle? Remember, to get the equation of the circle, what we need to do is to get the center, right? Okay. So, since 0 na yan, so, I already have x squared, right? May x squared na ako dyan. Okay. Plus, y. So, since we don't know k here, so, abang lang natin dyan, equals r squared. So, that's we're going to get it later. Okay, now, so how are we going to get k? How are we going to get the radius? Take note, kung tangent yan, alright, kung tangent yan, so there's a line. Let me draw a line also. Alright, that passes, okay, so that passes through this one. Okay, again, this is not the actual illustration. Ano lang, pang-explain lang. Alright. So, this one here, this line or the normal line, okay, so the equation of that is, since they're perpendicular, the equation of this one has the form x plus 2y equals c. Again, paano naging x plus 2y? So, since they are perpendicular, again, the figure is not drawn to scale, so since they're perpendicular, so all you have to do is to switch the coefficients of x and y, which is 2 and 1, so magiging 1 and 2, then reverse the sign. That's the shortcut. Okay? Kung familiar kayo dun. See that? Okay. Now, how are we going to get the value of c? So, since 2, 1 is a point on the normal line, which is this white line, all you have to do is to plug in 2 and 1 to x and y respectively to get c. Right? So, that is, that will be 2 plus 1, 2 times 1, so that will be 4. So, therefore, the equation of this line is, let me erase it, okay, so x plus 2y equals 4. See that? Okay, now, likewise, yung center ko dito, observe natin, yung center ko, which is 0k, is also on this line, x plus 2y equals 4. Right? So, therefore, all you have to do is, like what we did here in 2-1, all you have to do is to plug in 0k in place of x and y respectively. Right? So, that is, okay, so since x is 0 plus 2y, so instead of y, I'm going to write k. Okay? So, that's equal to 4. So, clearly, the value of k here is 2. See that? So, therefore, I already have k. So, I'm almost done. Alright? So, x squared plus y minus 2 to b squared. So, that's the equation of the circle. Okay? Kulang na lang yung r squared. Okay, so now, how are we going to get the radius? So since, okay, let me change this one. Alright, let's have this. Okay, so since the center is 0, 2, and the point of tangency, which is 2, 1, actually, if I'm going to get the distance of it, that's the radius. And then just square it. That will be our radius. Or r squared, right? So that's it. So let's do it. So r squared is equal to 2 minus 0 to be squared, alright, plus 1 minus 2 to be squared. So that will be 4 plus 1. So that will be 5. So therefore, the equation of the circle here, okay, yung answer natin dito is x squared plus y minus 2 to be squared equals 5. See that? Okay, so that's it. So actually, we can check it if you want. Sige, pakita natin kung ano talaga yung illustration nito using a free software which is Desmos. Okay, all you have to do is type Desmos, but I already saved it on my bookmark. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so check natin. Okay, so I'm going to enter the line or the tangent line, which is 2x minus y. So 2x minus y equals 3. Okay, there you go. So again, that's the tangent line. Then, suppose pakita natin yung x plus 2y equals 4 as my normal line. So x plus 2y equals 4. Okay, ito yon. Then yung circle, enter ko lang x squared plus y minus y minus 2 yata yun. Okay, y minus 2 to be squared equals 5. There you go. Okay, so this is how our illustration will looks like. Almost the same, no? Almost the same. Okay, there you go. Then, pakita natin yung point of tangency, 2, 1. Okay, as you can see here. Then, lubos-lubosin na natin. So, let's show the center, which is 0, 2. Okay, there you go. See that? Okay, so maganda tong app na to. Actually, you can download this in your cell phone also. Okay, so to check if your answer is correct. Okay? Okay, so I hope nakuha nyo yung solution natin dito sa problem number 2. Okay, so let's have the last problem. Okay, problem number 3. Yung problem number 1 nasa separate video ko. Okay, so problem number 3. Find the equation of the circle tangent to the line 3x minus 4y equals 4 at the point negative 4, negative 4, and center on the line x plus y plus 7 equals 0. Okay, medyo na iba ng konti. Alright? So, again, so find the equation of the circle tangent to the line. So, kagaya nung kanina, so let me create again a circle. Alright? So, suppose ito yung circle ko. Alright? And then I have a tangent line. Okay? Again, the figure is not drawn to scale. And this is not the actual illustration. Again, yung i-drawing ko dito for illustration purposes lang. So, estimate lang. Okay. So, again, this line is 3x minus 4y equals 4. Then, the point of tangency is negative 4, negative 4. Now, the center okay, is on the line x plus y plus 7 equals 0. Definitely, they will intersect dito. Okay, so, again, hulaan lang natin hindi ito yung actual illustration. Mamaya papakita natin sa Desmos. Kunyari, ito yung line. Alright? Okay? Ayan. Okay, suppose lang. Alright. So, suppose this is x plus y plus 7 equals 0. Now, like what we did there, in the previous problem. So, malaking bagay, pakita natin yung normal line. Alright? So, let me use yellow. Okay? That will pass through this one. Again, ulitin ko. So, kung this is not the actual illustration. Okay? So, kumbaga, pachamba. Alright. Okay. So, now, so this one, so since normal line yan, perpendicular kay tangent line, if this is 3x minus 4y, equals 4, like what we did in the previous problem. So this one will become 4x plus 3y equals c. Tama? Paano ko ba kukunin yung c? So since point of tangency is also on the normal line, all you have to do is to plug in negative 4. Alright? Both kay x and y. So that is 4 times negative 4 plus 3 times negative 4. So that will be negative 16 minus 12 is negative 28. So therefore, let me erase na lang. Okay? So therefore, yung equation ng normal line is 4x plus 3y equals negative 28. Okay. Again, we're after for the equation of the circle. Okay. So again, to get the equation of the circle, kailangan meron kang center, meron kang radius. Okay. Actually, makukuha na natin yung center dito. So since I already have the equation of this yellow line or the normal line, and I have the equation of the line passing through the center. So therefore, the point of intersection will give us the center. Alright. So therefore, solve natin siya simultaneously. That will be x plus y equals negative 7. While this one is 4x plus 3y equals negative 28. There you go. Okay, so I want to eliminate siguro si x na lang. Alright, so by multiplying 4, alright, that will be negative 4x plus 4x, of course, makakancel yan. Okay, makakancel yan. Then, so negative 4y plus 3y is negative y. Equals, negative 4 times negative 7 is positive 28 minus 28, 0. So therefore, the value of y is 0. So divide ko ng negative 1, it doesn't matter. Alright. So, next. So, if y is 0, okay, if y is 0, what is x? So, if y is 0, so the value of x will be negative 7. Right? So, therefore, the center of the circle is negative 7, 0. Negative 7, 0. So, therefore, yung equation ng circle ko, so meron akong x plus 7 to be squared, okay, plus y squared. Bakit y squared? Because your k is 0. So, now, how are we going to get r squared? So, since meron akong center, I already have the point of tangency, so get the distance formula. So, negative 7 minus negative 4, diretsuhin ko na, is negative 3. Alright, so the radius is, r squared na lang. R squared is negative 7, again, minus negative 4, so that's negative 3 squared, that will be 9. 0 minus negative 4, that's 4 squared, that's 16. So, therefore, ang r squared ko is 25. So, this is the equation of the circle. Okay? Now, check natin. Again, using the Desmos. Alright. So, pakita natin. So, let me delete it. Delete ko isa-isa. So, check natin kung same ng illustration. Again, ang equation ng circle ko is x plus 7. X plus 7 to be squared plus y squared equals 25. There you go. Okay, ma-adjust dyan. Then, yung equation ng tangent line ko is 3x minus 4y equals 4. 3x minus 4y equals 4. Alright, pakita natin yung point of tangency. Okay, pakita natin yung center, negative 7, 0. Then, pakita natin yung line passing through the center, which is x plus y plus 7 equals 0. See that? Then, yung normal line, which is 4x plus 3y equals negative 28. There you go. That's the actual illustration of the problem. See that? So, again, like I said, itong drawing ko for illustration lang. I mean, for explanation, pero it's not the actual illustration. But, the point here is, using this app, okay, nakita natin yung actual illustration ng problem. Okay? Again, so this red one is the line containing the center, this green is the tangent line, this blue line is the normal line, and this is the circle. Okay? So I hope you learned something on this episode. So once again, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Learn Math with Sir Mark. and feel free to share. Okay? So, that's it. Keep safe.